I'm here in Niamey, Niger. I'm very glad to meet all my fans in Niamey, Niger. Although this is not my first time in Niamey, this is my second time. I came to Niamey. My first time of coming to Niamey is in 2004, which is 14 years now. Now, I'm here in Niamey again, this is my second time to Niamey. I'm very glad to meet all my fans in Niamey, Niger. And I pray, let Almighty God give me safe journey back to my state, Kano State, Nigeria. I'm very glad. Bye. Niamey people, bye. Niamey people, Dumbari saying bye to all of you.